Article 645 offers several advantages over traditional wiring methods. Firstly, reduced labor costs are achieved because cables can be installed under raised floors without the need for conduit boxes or raceways, saving significant time and labor. Secondly, flexibility and adaptability are improved because underfloor cabling allows for easy reconfiguration and rearrangement of equipment without the need for costly rewiring. Thirdly, improved aesthetics result from concealing cables under the floor, enhancing the overall appearance of the workspace and making it more visually appealing. Fourthly, increased cooling efficiency occurs, as underfloor cabling reduces the amount of heat generated by cables, improving the cooling efficiency of the data center. Fifthly, protection from damage is enhanced because cables under the raised floor are less likely to be damaged by accidental impacts or spills, ensuring a more reliable and long-lasting installation. Sixthly, enhanced security results from concealing cables under the floor, which helps protect them from unauthorized access or malicious activity. Seventhly, compliance with industry standards is achieved because Article 645 complies with industry best practices for data center design and installation, ensuring a reliable and efficient system. In addition to the primary advantage of allowing cables under raised floors, Article 645 also includes several allowances. Cables installed in plenum spaces, that is, spaces that carry air for ventilation, must be plenum rated to prevent the spread of fire. Fire stops must be installed to prevent the spread of fire through the raised floor openings. The raised floor and its supports must be bonded and grounded to prevent the accumulation of static electricity. Ventilation openings must be provided in the raised floor to ensure proper airflow and cooling.